So here is the printer that you would use for the PaperCut. That's the PaperCut printer. So if we had 3 in the building, you could use any of the 3 to pick up your printed items. Right now we only have the one, which is here in the library. So you would just come to the printer, and if you have a badge that works, and we can fix that and set you up. Mine does not, so it's not a good badge. Anyway, you would just use the keypad, and you just sign in. Click sign in, and then we're going to use the ID that came in your email. And then you log in, and you will notice that at the top it says, well, it showed your name. It's very touchy. So there's my print command. If you sent several, you just hit select all jobs, and then you have it come over here and hit print. So it prints your job. Okay. Then, so if anything, this should be more accessible for you guys, like depending on where you are in the building. Please reach out to me to set up your printing options. We're working on iPad printing right now, but if you have your Chromebook, your tip computer, not Windows, I can set you up immediately. Thanks a lot.